Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear all your messages on WhatsApp for PC while keeping your starred messages safe using the brand new update. If your chats have become too crowded but you don't want to lose the important conversations you've marked, this quick method will help you tidy things up in just a few clicks. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once the application is up, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. Inside Settings, select the option labeled Chats. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your chat history and appearance. Within the Chats section, there's a feature called Clear All Messages. Reach for that option and click on it. Now, this is the key step. Before confirming, you'll notice a checkbox that says Keep Starred Messages. Make sure that box is selected. This ensures that while the rest of your texts will be cleared away, the conversations or individual messages you've marked as important will remain untouched. It's a safe and simple way to keep your highlights intact without the clutter of everything else. Once you've checked that option, confirm the step. The app will take a moment to process, depending on how many messages are being cleared out. But when it's done, you'll notice a much cleaner chat list. At the same time, all of your starred messages will still be there, ready for you to access whenever you need them. This new update makes it extremely convenient to manage space and keep WhatsApp organized on desktop. Instead of manually deleting chats or worrying about losing an important note, you can now quickly wipe away the noise while preserving what matters most. So, if WhatsApp has been feeling overwhelming on your computer, try this method today. A simple refresh can make your chat experience faster, cleaner, and much easier to navigate. And you'll never have to worry about losing those carefully saved messages again.